Karbi youth achieves success in APSC exam. Bernel selected as enforcement inspector. In a significant achievement, Bernel, a young Karbi man from Rongkimi village in Dipu, has successfully cleared the Enforcement Inspector (EI) examination conducted by the Assam Public Service Commission (APSC). He is the lone Karbi youth to secure this prestigious post under the Transport Department this year. According to sources, Bay's success was declared on Thursday, where 27 candidates were selected against 27 posts. The son of Longki Bay and Memories Ronghangpi, Bernel completed his schooling at Badan Memorial Higher Secondary School and Covenant High School and graduated in Science from Dipu Government College. Notably, Bay had previously cleared the APSC Combined Competitive Examination (CCE) mains exam twice but could not succeed in the Viva Voice round. However, with determination and commitment, he cleared the APSC examination in the SD Hills Reserve category this time. Expressing his delight, Bay praised the APSC and the Assam government for conducting a smooth, transparent and timely examination process. I convey deep respect to the APSC and the Assam government for staying true to the spirit of merit and perseverance, he said. Bay also plans to attempt the APSC CCE mains exam again, showcasing his commitment to public service. Advising young aspirants, he emphasized the importance of discipline, consistency, and regular practice in preparing for competitive exams. This achievement has brought pride to Bay's family and the Karbi community, inspiring others to pursue their goals with dedication and perseverance.